Hi, my name is Jessica Velez, and I am the Program Assistant for the Genetic Society of America's Early Career Leadership Program. Today, I'm joined by three members of our Communication and Outreach Subcommittee, Co-Chair Angel Cisneros, Carla Bautista, and Nargis Alfaraji, who will be sharing their thoughts and experiences with the program. We'll start with Angel. Angel, why did you join the Early Career Leadership Program?
Hello, Jessica. Thank you. So I am Angel Cisneros, a co-chair of the Communication and Outreach Subcommittee. And back when I was an undergrad, I learned about the importance of science communication when I helped my student association organize a conference. We provided fellowships to help some students attend, which helped me understand how it is important to share science. And so now that I am a graduate student, I wanted to communicate science at an international level. And this was one of the main reasons why I joined the GSA Early Career Leadership Program. On top of that, this program was an opportunity for me to get to expand my network by meeting members of the GSA.
Awesome. What has been the most exciting or unexpected experience for you?
Right. So far, the most exciting experience for me, that should have been the Science Communication Workshop we organized for TAGC 2020. We had an excellent group of panelists, and we had around 50 participants from 15 different countries. So I was an organizer of this workshop. And it was very nice for me to see the energy that all the panelists and all the attendees put into the workshop. We had a very nice discussion that took place during the workshop, both in the chat of the app we were using to host it and on Twitter. So it was a very rewarding experience for me.
Wonderful. What has been your most valuable takeaway for you or your career?
Right. So participating in the Early Career Leadership Program has been very rewarding for me, and it has had a lot of different takeaways. The most valuable for me should have been in terms of developing my leadership and organization skills, as well as expanding my view of science communication. One of the main takeaways is that I have learned that as scientists, we can all engage in science communication without having a specific communication degree. All we need is a platform, a target audience, and a message we want to disseminate. However, it is very important that we make sure that our message is accurate because we don't want to be spreading misinformation.
Thank you so much, Angel. I'm going to go ahead and move on to Carla. Carla, why did you join the Early Career Leadership Program?
Hi, Jessica, thank you. So, hi everyone. I was very excited about joining this program for many reasons, but the two main ones were, first, I would like to improve my leadership skills. So I would like to learn how to lead a team and even, for example, how to delegate in others. And secondly, I would like to increase my network, specifically my scientific network. So with this program, I could reach other scientists and increase my contact with them. And finally, once I have been accepted in this program, I decided to apply to the Outreach Committee because I think that as scientists, we need to communicate what we do, and especially to the general public.
Thank you. What has been your favorite project you've worked on?
Well, I really enjoy my time here in the committee. The committee is very helpful with the programs and the projects. But if I need to highlight one of them, I will say astrobiology pieces that we publish in Science Trends. First, because I really enjoy this topic, and second, because I have working on astrobiology for a while. So I really enjoy how the committee accepted my idea and helped me to develop this project. And finally, if I can add something, I will say that I'm very, very excited about a new project that we are working right now, and it's related with outreach with kids.
That's awesome. What has been the most valuable takeaway for you or your career?
Well, I really learned a lot from my committee and also from my partners here. But if I need to highlight one thing or one work, I will say teamwork. Because normally or often when we are working in our projects in master or PhD, we really don't have too much time to work in team. So I think the committee brings you this possibility, and you can improve your skills in teamwork. You can have a lot of perspective from others and really enjoy your time in there working in a team.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Carla. I'm going to go ahead and move on to Nargis. Nargis, why did you join the Early Career Leadership Program?
Hi everyone, my name is Nargis and I want to talk here today about why I joined the GSA community. So I was excited about the opportunity was advertised within the GSA newsletter, which encouraged the early career scientists to participate in a subcommittee to communicate and deliver the science and promoting the science and understand the new discoveries for general public. For me, I was doing my PhD at the University of Manchester at that time. However, I had experience with the engagement and public engagement, especially when I participated with the program delivered by the British Council. So I was thinking I need to work on this and expand my specific skills with engagement with public society. I found GCA the right place to start with.
Wonderful. What was the interview process like?
So the interview process was very interesting and encouraging because as I remember, I interviewed by two persons. One of them was Jessica and the other one was Sonia Hall. When they welcomed me and introduced me for the program in general, what's the aim and the goal of GSA, why they are willing to enroll more scientist people. So they asked me about how looks like my background and why I'm interested in this program. So I told them about my previous experience and my passion and motivation to be an active in promoting science to public in general.
Awesome. What has been the most valuable takeaway for you or your career?
Yeah, so I think it was valuable experience that provided me with an opportunity to know another scientists who are working on different projects, as well as it was a good opportunity to network with other scientists, and it helped me to build and improve my writing skills, specifically for non-scientific people. So as a scientist, if I want to communicate with people outside of science, I need to have an easy way and simple way to deliver science and to promote our work, because we all scientists and do lots of discoveries which all help to understand the disease and find the cure for many illnesses. But the key important is how to communicate this, how to deliver this, how to promote this in a good way. So the first start will be to deliver it in the right way and deliver your right message to the public, because this will encourage you to be more active.
Thank you so much, Nargis. I really appreciate your responses. And thank you all again so much for your time. If any of our applicants have questions for Angel, Carla, Nargis, or myself, please send an email to engagement@genetics-gsa.org.